Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks, and today we bought a outdoor solar light. So it's a warm light which is like cereals, and you can just put it for any festivals, Diwali or Christmas, so just to decorate your house. So we've not bought it for any festival, but we've just bought it to decorate our house a bit, to light it up a bit. So you've got three of these. So here's your solar panel which you get, and you also get a stand which you can fix it behind and either stack it in the ground or tie it somewhere. It's nice and adjustable so you can move it around. And the light, so the solar lights have different modes. Okay, so it has a behind it has a switch to switch off and on. So this is the one to switch it off and on. So this is how it will light and look. Pretty nice in the house. There are different modes which you can go. This is blinking, then fast, then odd even, slow fade in, fade out, and super fast. Now we'll put it out on a railing. We want to put it on the railing, so we'll show you how it looks in the night. So here it is. We've put it on a railing. Looks pretty nice. Again here all around. It looks nice from far, so I'll go out and take a video from out. And here it is from outside. We've also put some lights on top on the balcony. It looks really nice. Hope you like it. Enjoy.